Welcome to our online class. ঘরে থাকি ক্লাস করি arranged by our head teacher, Shobarda High School. This is SKMD Jihadur Rahman, assistant teacher, Shobarda High School. How are you, students? I hope all our students are well. I am also fine, but we do not take our regular classes for some reasons. For these reasons, we have started our online class to compensate your loss. Today I talk about one of the grammar items, and it is transformation of sentences. So all the students, you should carefully listen or watch the video, then we will be able to answer the question easily. Okay, so what is the topic is? This is transformation of sentences. Any kinds of sentence, when you transform from another to one, then you have to maintain some rules, and it is only it is only 7 or 8. 7 or 8, not more than. It's an exceptional sentences, so you should not be worried about this. But there are regular basis sentence. You have to practice it more and more, and you will know also the exceptional rules. There are some rules. If I find in the sentence some specific words, then we have to change the words into a specific way. Today I will only talk about the affirmative to negative, and there is also another parts: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamative sentence also get into change, but that means vice versa. But today I will talk about only affirmative to negative. How to change the affirmative sentence into negative or negative into affirmative. That means vice versa. So look at the board. Here, first one, only alone. If you find in your sentence the word only or alone, we should change the affirmative sentence into negative one with a particular way. That is, if we find only or alone this word, then we should write instead of that none but, nothing but, not less than. When we write down none but, when the only or alone refers to creator or person, then we write none but. Second one, when this word refers to thing, then we write down nothing but. And when the word refers to or indicates to numbers, then we write it not less than or not more than. You can write any of these. So, number 2, your rules. Must, there are some words you can find in your questions. Must, bound to, have to, am to, is to, are to. These kinds of words have you found in your sentence. You have to change the words in this way: can't but, or cannot but. Okay, cannot but. And in the same way, this is the past simple form: was to, were to, had to. Then you change the word into couldn't but. Then you change the word into couldn't but. Number 3, if the sentence starts with a, all, every, used as an adjective, we can change these sentences in a particular way. This is a, all, every. Instead of a, all, every, we use there is no plus but plus verb and the rest of the sentence. Okay. Rule number 4, if we find any these words in the sentence always, we should use never instead of always. Then number 5, sometimes. Sometimes, that means not always. We should in the negative form, not always. If the sentence starts with as soon as, then we change the negative one: no sooner had or did. Course rule number 7, both dot dot or adjective and then instead of both you should use not only and is used for but also. Okay, this is the some exceptional rules I think, but there are regular basis sentence. You can change it in a very easy way. Every sentence has a clue and you should find out the words and give the opposite meaning, then it will change the sentence wholly. And if you want to affirmative, the change into affirmative, then you should not use not. If you want to change the sentence into negative, then you have to use not. So now we can practice some question by using our rules and our regular sentences. First of all, we look the question number 1. We are grateful to the freedom fighters. All the students should go through the question first, and you have to understand or realize the questions about what is the answer about. You will find 50% of your answer if you are able to know the meaning of the questions. We are grateful to the freedom fighters. Here are no words are there. There is no exceptional words are there. There is a simple one, and it is affirmative one. We should use. We should change it negative. So every sentence you can find a word. Which word, if you give the meaning of the opposite, then total change is turned into negative. If you turn the negative one, then you should write in this way. We are, what is the grateful? This is the word. This is the clue. Grateful. We should use the opposite meaning, ungrateful. We are not. So we should write in this way. We are not ungrateful. So this is the answer. It is affirmative one, and the word, this word only to give the opposite meaning, ungrateful, and you should write in this way. Ungrateful. We are not ungrateful. If you change this sentence into affirmative one, in the same way you should find out the clue. Ungrateful is the word here. You should change the meaning of the word, opposite word. Ungrateful means not grateful. So you should change the meaning, opposite meaning of grateful. Then we drop out the not. We are grateful to the freedom fighters. In your answer, in your question, it may come affirmative or negative. Then you will answer the questions very easily if you understand it. Question number 2. He is not unkind to the poor at all. First of all, we find the sentence, is it affirmative or negative? But you can also find the direction. Change the sentence into affirmative one, so you obviously know that the sentence is negative one. He is not unkind to the poor at all. He is not unkind to the poor at all. Which word should be changed here? Give the opposite meaning. This is the word, unkind. If you want to change it affirmative, you should not use not. He is. So we omit the word not, and the opposite meaning of the word is kind. He is kind to the poor. but this is the word or phrase. If you find this phrase at all, we should use, instead of at all, we should use very. So your answer should be, he is very kind. He is very kind to the poor. He is very kind to the poor. This is the answer. So students should remember it. If you find the phrase at all at the sentence, in the sentence, you should use instead of at all, very. Okay. Question number 3. It is not an easy task. This is the same way we can find where is the clue, this is easy. Generally we can see that adjective or verb or adverb or preposition may use, and if we change these words in opposite one, then the sentence will turn into affirmative or negative. So what is your direction? Give it affirmative. So if we write the answer, it is, we do not use not, as we are going to change the affirmative one. It is an easy. What is the opposite word or antonym of the easy? It is difficult or hard. Difficult. So this is an error, but before consonant we cannot use an, we should use a. It is a difficult task. It is a difficult task. Okay. It is not an easy task. Change into affirmative one. It is a difficult task. Again, it is a difficult task. If we change into negative, it is not an easy task, or it is a very hard task. Any one of the answer you can write. Question number 4. Their contribution will always be remembered. Here you can find also there is a word remembered. That means we should remember someone or something. The sentence is affirmative one, we should change into negative. So we should write their contribution will for always, you can find here for always, never be, the opposite meaning of the remembered, forgotten. So the answer, their contribution will never be forgotten. Okay. Question number 5. Every man wishes to be happy. They are the normal question, I think. Question number 4. You don't have use any rules or regulations to solve the questions. Only we have to find out some words which is adjective or adverb or verb or preposition. It's not a matter. You will find out the clue word and then you give the change of the opposite meaning. Your sentence is, if the sentence is affirmative one, you do not use the not. If the sentence is negative one, you should use not. And in this way you can easily change the affirmative to negative. Suppose we are grateful, we are not grateful. This is the regular basis sentences. What there are some sentences we can use, some structurally and some specific word are used. So we should change this sentence in this way. You must, question number 5. Every man wishes to be happy. Here, a, all, every used as an adjective of the sentence. We can use there is no. There is no plus but. Then rest of the sentence you can write. To be happy. So it is a negative one. If the sentence start with a, all, every used as an adjective, then we should use there is no. There are many other rules also, but we should use these rules, and it is very easy for you, and it is also useful. There is no man. Sorry, there is no man, but wishes to be happy. There is no man, but wishes to be happy. Okay. Question number 6. It is also the rules and restrictions rules. If you find any word must in your sentence, then you can use in a state of must is can't or couldn't but. If the sentence is present simple, we use can't but. If the sentence is past simple, couldn't but. Okay. The sentence is present one, though it is a model. So if we find must or bound or have to and to is to, in the same way we can write cannot but. Obey the law. So you cannot but obey the law. You must obey the law. Change the affirmative. Which one? You cannot but obey the law. If the question is asked for negative, then you cannot for use the must. Okay. Question number 7. We should always speak the truth. This is a not normal basis question. We should never speak. This word should be changed before tell. Before change into tell, particularly this sentence should be changed in this way. We should speak the truth. After truth before takes the speak, and lie takes the tell. So this is the difference between the sentences. We should always speak the truth. We should never speak a lie. Don't write in this way. We should use before lie. We should use tell. Before lie we should use tell. We should never tell a lie. And always is regular one. Always is never. So it's all are okay. Only to change the word. Before truth we should use speak. Before lie we should use tell. Okay. Question number 8. He is only 22. He is only 22. There is the word only. If the only or alone refers to the numbers 22, it's a number. So what is the answer? Should be not less than. Not less than. He is not less than 22. Or you can write also in this way, he is not more than 22. Okay. Question number 9. Allah alone can help us. Here alone refers to Creator Allah. So none but. None but Allah. And all the time you should write the Allah name before capital letter. None but Allah can help us. Question number 10. I need only a book. I need only a book. This only refers to a thing. So we should write in this way. We need nothing but. Nothing but a book. They give us both knowledge and pleasure. If you find both and we should use for both. They give us not only knowledge but also pleasure. So it is your rules. If you find in the sentence affirmative sentence into both adjective or any word, and then for both we should use not only and but also. Okay. Question number 12. As soon as he left the place, the police came. If you find the sentence start with as soon as, then you should write no sooner. No sooner had he left, or no sooner did he leave. No sooner had he left, or no sooner did he leave the place. Then use a conjunction here than, and then rest of the sentence. The police came. Okay. Question number 13. He sometimes comes here is a affirmative sentence. If we find in the word sometimes in our sentence, we should use not always. So you have to, he does not, in this way, does not always come here. And this is another questions. If you found in your question 2 adjective plus 2, we should change the sentence, or if we want to change it negative, we should use right in this way. He is, for 2 we should use so. He is so weak, and omit the 2 and then write that. He is so weak that, and according to the subject we should write the subject. If the sentence is present simple, we should can. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Question number 15, it's a exceptional one. Your sister is as good as you. It's a positive case. You should change the sentence into comparative one. Your sister is not less good than you. Or you can write also, you are not better than your sister. You are not better than your sister. This is all for the today. So thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.